I just thought, you know, if we find something.
This is ditto or
Monday and Wednesday.
ditto
Why
or
bother?
at the Animal Rescue
You're right,
League.
Leah does like her red.
Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Did you get up to say hi? Wants to come greet people. Look right in the camera, real close, yeah. He's a little curious too, isn't he, huh? Hi. So, what do we know about you? You're very friendly. Like to have some attention and scratching.